Nothing's previous two smartphones were released in July 2022 and July 2023. Now leaked internal email from Carl Pei to Nothing employees. Finally, Nothing Phone 3 launched these years. Nothing Phone 3 surfaced on Geekbench with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. It had 8GB RAM on board, ran Android 15, and scored 1,149 and 2,813 points in Geekbench's single and multi-core tests. The Nothing Phone 3 boasts a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. We hope Nothing Phone 3 uses triple camera setup. The Nothing Phone 2 comes with a 4,700 mAh battery. We expect a bump in capacity, aiming at 5,000 mAh for Phone 3. The last generation Nothing supports 45W fast wired charging and 15W wireless. Nothing Phone 2 launched at $600, but with several design and software upgrades expected in Phone 3, we might expect a slight price increase. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.